Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about sets and their representation and examples and the solutions of exercise 1.1 from ncert class 11. Now I am going to tell what is a set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects and it is denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. If you see the examples, then you will easily understand. The first one is natural numbers. We know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These you can write a set like this. N is equal to, these are braces. So inside the braces, you have to write all the natural numbers. And you know that the natural numbers are infinite numbers. So you have to put dots like this. This is etc. And the next example is the vowels in the English alphabet. We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these are also well-defined collection of objects. So these you can write like a set like this. V is equal to, inside the braces, you have to write the vowels. And next one is integers greater than -4 and less than 3. So greater than -4, the integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Because less than 3, so up to 2 you have to write. So these are the sets examples. And here these well-defined objects, these are well-defined objects. So these we can say as elements. For example, -3 is an element, -2 is an element, -1 is an element, like this. If you see, all these elements belong to the set A. So this belongs to, you can write with a symbol epsilon like this. So for example, -3 belongs to A. So -3 belongs to A, you can write like this with this symbol. And 1 belongs to A. Like this, -2 belongs to A, 0 belongs to A, like this you have to write. And if you see here, 5 does not an element of A set. So here you have to write 5 does not belongs to A. These are some of the sets we will use in the problems while doing the exercises. So please remember all these sets. The first one is natural numbers. We can write like this. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that these are natural numbers. And set of all integers. So denoted by Z. And we know that all integers are negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0. And Z plus, only positive integers. So out of these integers, only write the positive integers. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So Z plus. And next one is rational numbers. We know that the rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So you write the rational numbers 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5 like this. These are rational numbers. And here 25 minus 16 also you can write as 25 by 1 minus 16 by 1 like this. And the Q plus, these are positive rational numbers. Out of these rational numbers, only positive rational numbers are called positive rational numbers. And Q dash, those are set of all irrational numbers. So we know that the irrational numbers are √3, √2, √5, minus √3, √7, etc. These are called irrational numbers. So this is denoted by Q dash. And next one is real numbers. Set of real numbers. We know that all the real numbers are including the rational numbers as well as the irrational numbers. So you have to write the set of real numbers that is denoted by capital R. So you have to write all irrational numbers and rational numbers also. And R plus, only positive real numbers. So out of these real numbers, if you write only positive real numbers, those are called positive real numbers. Now I am going to tell how to represent the sets by using the methods, these methods. The first one is roster or tabular form, and second one is set builder form or rule method. So in the first method, roster or tabular form, you can represent the sets like this. All the elements of the set are being separated by commas and are enclosed within the braces. For example, natural numbers between 3 to 10. We know that the natural numbers between 3 to 10 are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these elements you have to represent in the set like this inside the braces and separated by commas. So this is the representation of the set in the roster form or tabular form. And the same set you can write set A is equal to 6, 9, 5, 8, 4, 7. So the same elements you can write in any order like this. And the second example is the set of letters forming the word school. If you see this word, here you have to write the elements. Those are the letters of this word. So if you see here, O is repeating here 2 times. So you have to write the elements only 1 time in the set. So elements are not repeated here. So set B is equal to SCHO only 1 time, O, comma, L. You can write the same elements in any order like this also. And next one is set builder form. So in this method, you have to represent the set, an element of the set by using the symbols x, y, z, etc. For example, A is equal to x such that x is a natural number between 3 to 10. So here this is the set builder form. You have to represent the set like this. So here this means x is the element. You are representing the element like this. It is a natural number between 3 to 10. That means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the representation of the element in the sentence form. So this is the set builder form. This is the representation of the set in set builder form. Here, this is colon, that means such that. So x such that x is a natural number between 3 to 10. Another example, B is equal to y such that y is a letter of the word school. So here y is the representation of the letter, that means elements from this word school. So the same thing, see here, in roster form, you can represent like this. In set builder form, you have to represent like this. The second one is set builder form. The sets you can represent by using set builder form also. We describe an element of the set by using the symbols x, y, z, etc. So, for example, A is equal to x is to x is a natural number between 3 to 10. So here the elements you can represent like this. The element here x is the element that you can represent. It is a natural number. The elements are the natural numbers. Those are between 3 to 10. So these you can write as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that you can represent like this sentence. X is a natural number between 3 to 10. So x is the element here and that element is between 3 to 10. So the elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the representation of the set by using set builder form. So here x you can write in any symbol, y, z like this, any symbol you can use here. And here this is called colon, that is such that x is a natural number between 3 to 10. So this is the representation of the set by using set builder form. And this sentence you have to write inside the braces. So like this, the second example is B is equal to y such that y is a letter of the word school. So you have to write the sets by using set builder form like this. Now I am going to tell the examples from NCERT. This is first example. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. We know that in the roster form you have to write if you know the elements of the set. So here you have to find the elements. Elements means the solutions of this equation. So first to find the solutions of this equation, x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you factorize this, then you will get x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. So these are the solutions of this equation, minus 2 and 1. So the set you can write in the roster form is equal to 1 comma minus 2 inside these braces. So the second example is write the set x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40 in the roster form. So here it is given, the set is given in the set builder form. You have to write it in the roster form. So for that you have to find the elements of this set. So here positive integer. So integers are negative numbers, positive numbers including 0. These are the integers. Out of these integers you have to take positive integers. And if you square that integer, those elements should be less than 40. So you can take like this positive integers. For example, x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are the positive integers. If you square these positive integers, x square is equal to 1 square, 2 square, 3 square like this. So if you square these numbers, you will get 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. So here x square is less than 40. So 36 is the number that is less than 40. 49 is greater than 40. So you have to stop up to 36. So from this to 36. This is less than, square numbers are less than 40. So you have to write the elements, but here you have to write the elements. Those are x. So the given set in the roster form, you have to write not the square numbers. You have to write x numbers. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. Because 6 square is 36. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the set in the form of roster form. And next one is example 3. Here write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. in set builder form. So this is given in roster form. You have to write in set builder form. So first write A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. If you observe these numbers, you will easily identify these are square numbers. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 like this. So this you can write in set builder form. A is equal to x such that x is equal to, here these are square numbers, so you can write n square. X is equal to n square, so these are x value, x, these are the elements, and x is equal to n square because these elements are in the form of square numbers, so n square, where n is a natural number. If you observe all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are natural numbers, so n is a natural number, or you can write A is equal to x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to capital N. Capital N is natural number set. We know that. So you can write like this also. This is example 4. Write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 in the set builder form. So here this set is in roster form. So you have to write this in the set builder form. So if you observe these numbers, here 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, 3 by 4 like this. So here if you add the numerator to 1, then you will get the denominator. Here also, if you add numerator 1 to numerator, then you will get the denominator here also like this. So here 1 and here 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here also 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 like this. So these numbers are like this. So if you assume these numbers are n, then the numerator as 1 n, then the denominators are n plus 1. See here, if n is 1, then n plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 like this. So the given set in the set builder form is A is equal to x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1, where n belongs to capital N. That is natural numbers, because all these numbers are natural numbers. And next example is example 5. Here, match each of the set on the left described in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. So here on the left side, the sets are given in the roster form, and on the right side, the sets are in the set builder form. You have to match these two sets. So first, see here, these sets we will easily understand, but on the right side, first you have to write these sets in the elements of these sets, because these are in set builder form. You have to write the elements of these sets. So here, first one is, you can easily identify, that is D, because here PRINCAL letters you can easily identify from this word. So first one is you can match with D. And next you have to write the elements of these sets. So here x is a positive integer and is a divisor of 18. So positive integers means only positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And divisor of 18 means factors of 18. If you divide the factors with this 18, then you will get the remainder 0. That is the meaning of divisor of 18. So find the factors of 18. Those are 1, 2, 3, 6, etc. So if you see here on the left side, so here 1, 2, 3, 6, next 9 is also a divisor of 18, because this is also factor. 18 is also a factor of 18. So this is the set you can match with A, 3 and A. And next one is x is an integer and x square minus 9 is equal to 0. If you solve this equation, x square is equal to 9, then x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. That is plus or minus 3. So that is 3 minus 3. So you can match with fourth one, that is B. Okay. Then next one, x is an integer and x plus 1 is equal to 1. So if you solve this, x is equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So second one you can match with C. So now the solution is first one D, second C, third A, fourth B. Now I am going to tell the solutions of exercise 1.1 from sets from NCERT class 11. The first one is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So the first one from this first question is the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. This is a set because here the months of a year beginning with the letter J are January, June and July. These are well-defined collection of objects. So this is a set. This collection is a set as it is well-defined collection of objects. So we can definitely decide. And second one is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. It is not a set because here most talented writers of India, they may vary from person to person and time to time also. For example, in 20th century, Rabindranath Tagore, R.K. Narayan, these are the famous writers, and in 21st century, Shashi Thakur, Kiran Desai, etc. These are the famous writers. So they may vary from time to time and person to person also. So the collection of 10 most talented writers of India is not a set because the criterion for determining a writer's talent may vary from person to person. Thus, it is not a well-defined collection. And third one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is also similar to second one. Here also best cricket batsmen we cannot decide because every time they may change from person to person and from time to time also. So a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world is not a set because the criterion for determining a batsman's talent may vary from person to person. Thus, it is not a well-defined collection. And next one is the collection of all boys in your class. Yes, this is a set because here all boys in your class are not in other class and not in any school. So this is a well-defined collection of objects. So this is a set. And next one is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Yes, this is also a set because we know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are well-defined collection of objects. These are less than 100 means till 99. So this is a set. And next one is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Yes, this is also a set because here the novels written by the particular person who is Munshi Premchand. So these books only written by this person only. So for example, these are the books written by Munshi Premchand. So these books are written by only Munshi Premchand, none other than the other person. So here this collection of objects are well defined. So it is a set. And next one is the collection of all even integers. Yes, this is also a set because integers means negative, positive numbers including 0. And out of those integers, all even integers. Even integers. Sorry here. Even integers are only 2, 4, 6, etc. These are even integers. Yes. This is also a well-defined collection of objects. So it is a set. And next one is the collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, this is also said because questions in this chapter are not in any other chapter. The particular questions in this chapter are only in this chapter only, not in any other chapter. So this is also a set. And next one, last one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. It is not a set because most dangerous animals of the world, they also may vary from animal to another animal. Determining a dangerous animal may vary from one animal to another animal. So it is not a set. This is second question from the same exercise. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol Here this is belongs to and this is does not belongs to in the blank spaces. So here these are the questions they are given 5A, AJ like this. You have to check whether this element belongs to A and this element belongs to A like that. So the first one, if you write the elements here, first one is 5. So yes, 5 belongs to A. So you have to write this symbol belongs to. And 8, next one is 8. 8 does not belongs to A because 8 is not in this set. And 0 is also not there. So 0 does not belongs to A and 4 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 10 belongs, no, 10 does not belongs to A because 10 is not in this set. So you have to write like this. And next question is third one. Write the following sets in rostered form. So here it is given in set builder form. You have to write this set in rostered form. So that means you have to write the elements separated by commas. So here it is given x such that x is an integer and -3 is less than x less than 7. So x is an integer. So that is between -3 and 7. So you have to write the integers between -3. It is less than x less than 7. So it is between -3 and 7. The numbers are -2, -1. The given set in the roster form is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because -2 is greater than -3 and 6 is less than 7. You have to write between these two numbers. So this is in the roster form. And second one is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So here x is a natural number. So write in the roster form b is equal to less than 6. The natural numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write like this. And third one, if you see, c is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. First see, x is a 2-digit natural number. So the natural numbers which are having 2 digits. And if you add those 2 digits, you will get 8. So write those numbers like this. First write the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to identify the 2-digit number. If you add those two numbers, it should be 8. So if you add 1 plus 7, yes, it is 8. And 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. And 4 plus 4, 8. Again, you can write in this order 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1 like that. So the given set in the roster form is C is equal to 17. Here you can use any set name, anything. You can write A, B, C or anything. Here C is given, so you have to write C. C is equal to 1, 7, 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62 and 71. So these are the 2-digit numbers. If you add those digits, you will get 8. Sum of the digits is 8. And next one is x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So divisor of 60, x should be a prime number. We know that the prime numbers are having the factors 1 and the number itself. Those are called prime numbers. And the divisor of 60. So you have to do the prime factorization for 60 because these are the divisor of 60. That numbers, that prime number should be divisor of 60 means if you divide with that numbers, the remainder should be 0. Okay. So first prime factorize 60 by the prime numbers. First start with 2. 2 30s are 60 and 2 15s are 30. 3 5s are 15. So here you are getting 2, 2, 3, 5. But the elements in the set you have to write only one time. You should not repeat that. So only 2 you have to write one time. So the given set B is equal to the roster form is 2, 3, 5. And next one is this one. Fifth one. E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So here you have to write all the letters from this word. So you have to check whether any letter is repeating here. So here T is repeating, R is also repeating, and O is also repeating. So you have to write only one time these letters. So the given set in the roster form E is equal to T, R, I, Z, O, N, M, E, and Y. These are the elements of this set. This is sixth problem. The set of all letters in the word better So here, if you check the letters are any letters are repeating, here E is repeating, T is repeating. So you have to write only one time. So the set F is equal to D, E, T, R. Only these four letters. And this is next question, fourth one. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Here the sets are given in the roster form. You have to write the set builder form. So first check how the elements are here. So here the elements are 3, 6, 9, 12. Any relation between these elements, you just check that. So here if you observe 1, 3, 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So these elements you can write as 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. And if you write these natural numbers like n, then this is in the form of 3n. So 3n, here n is equal to 1 to 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 4 because it is from 1 to 4. So the given set in the set builder form is x a is equal to x such that x is equal to 3n. This is in this form and belongs to capital N, that is natural numbers, and 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 4. You have to write the numbers between, not between, from 1 to 4. So here small n is these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and x is such that x means these elements are such that in this form. This is the meaning of set this set builder form. And next one, if you see these elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 30, 32. So you have to check how the numbers are. So these numbers you can write 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, that is 16, 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. So if you observe here, these numbers are changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the base is same, that is 2. So these numbers are changing, so you have to write these numbers as n. So n is from 1 to 5. Again, those are natural numbers. So this you can write b is equal to x such that x is equal to 2 to the power of n. Here n is from 1 to 5. N belongs to capital N, and 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 5. Next one, 5, 25, 125, 625. So these numbers also, these elements also, you can write 5 to the power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power of 4. So here the powers are changing from 1 to 4 and base is same, that is 5. So this you can write 5 to the power of n. So c is equal to x such that x is equal to 5 to the power of n belongs to capital N, and this n is from 1 to 4. So 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. And next one is 2, 4, 6. So if you observe, these are natural numbers as well as even numbers. 2, 4, 6. These numbers are even numbers because the even numbers are divisible by 2. We know this. So you have to write d is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number because even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. And next one is, fifth one is 1, 4, 9, etc. till 100. So these numbers you can write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. This is 10 square up to 10 square. If you see, the base is changing but the powers are same. Those are 2. Here 2 is same and base is changing from 1 to 10. So this you can write x such that x is equal to n square because n is here in the base. So n square, 2 is same here. The power is same. So n square, n belongs to capital N, and here n is from 1 to 10. So this you can write 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. Like this you have to write in the set builder form. Here's fifth question. List all the elements of the following sets. So here the set is given in the form of set builder form. You have to write the elements of this set. So the first one is a is equal to here x such that x is an odd natural number. We know that natural numbers are 1, 2. See here the solution. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are the natural numbers. From these natural numbers, odd natural numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. These are the odd numbers, odd natural numbers. Odd numbers are not exactly divisible by 2. So now the elements of this set are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So this is the solution of this problem. And the second one is b is equal to x such that x is an integer. minus 1 by 2 is less than x is less than 9 by 2. So this is in the form of fraction. You have to write in decimal form this. This is 1 by 2 is minus 0.5. Minus 1 by 2 is minus 0.5 is less than x is less than 9 by 2 is 4.5. So x is an integer. This is between minus 0.5 and 4.5. So these are the decimal numbers, but x is an integer. So first write the integers here. We know that integers are negative, positive numbers including 0. So write here all the numbers. So minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 is between minus 1 and 0. So here is the minus 0.5. And 4.5 is between 4 and 5. See here, this is 4.5. So between these two numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the elements of this set. Therefore, B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one is, third one, C is equal to, here x is an integer, x square is less than or equal to 4. So here x is an integer. We know that integers are negative numbers, positive numbers including 0. So x square, if you write here, for example, minus 3 whole square, minus 2 whole square, minus 1 whole square, like this, if you write square of these integers, then you will get 9. Here minus 3 whole square is 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4 times. So if you see here, x square is less than or equal to 4. So here x square, these are the x square numbers. So x square is less than or equal to 4. So that is 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. These are the numbers which are less than or equal to 4. But here you have to write the elements, that is x. So you have to check the corresponding numbers, corresponding elements of these square numbers. Because here x square is a square number, but you have to write in the set the elements, x values. So corresponding of these values are minus 2. See here for 4, that is minus 2, and 4, it is 2. So you have to write minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Actually, sorry, this is not there, 3 is not there. So here the answer is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, comma 2. And next one is fourth one. B is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word L-O-Y-A-L, loyal. So you have to take the letters which should not be repeated. So here L is repeating here, so you should not write L 2 times. So write D is equal to L-O-Y-A, only 4 letters. And fifth one is X is a month of a year not having 31 days. Okay, not having. So first write the months, January, February, like this. We know that January is 31 days, so February is not 31. And March is 31, so this is not 31. So alternate, first write alternate. These are not 31 days. So February, August, then June, and you know that July and August both are 31 days. So you should not write both. Then again September, again alternate to November. So now write February, April, June, September, and November. These are the months not having 31 days. Okay. Next one is F is equal to X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes X. So here X is a consonant. First you have to know vowels A, E, I, O, U are vowels. If you take out these vowels, the remaining are consonants. But the consonant precedes K. So before K you have to write those consonants that before K you have to write. So out of these A should not, you should not write because it is a vowel. So next one is B, C, D, E is not there. This is a vowel, an vowel. So E is not there. Then F, G, H, I is not there. Then J, then K. But it precedes K. So you should not write K. Up to J you have to write. And next question is sixth one. Match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in set builder form. So here these are in the roster form and these are set builder form. In set builder form. First, check the set builder form sentences. Here, x is a prime number and divisor of 6. So, prime numbers, we know that those numbers only factors the number and 1 and the number itself. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. And one more condition, and a divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 means factors of 6. So, x is a prime number and also a divisor of 6, factors of 6. So, out of these numbers, only 2, 3 are prime numbers and factors of 6. Okay, so this is 2 is A, 2 and A. See here 2A. And next one is x is an odd natural number less than 10. So odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 less than 10. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the numbers. So B, 4 and B. Okay, next one is x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but divisor of 6. So out of these, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So this is first one. So 1 and C. Last one is x is a letter of the word mathematics. So these letters should not repeat. M, A, and T. These letters should not repeat. So that is this one, 3 and D. So this is the solution of sixth problem. Now please do this practice worksheet. These are the answers.